In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a file for print in Canva so you can get professional, high-quality print results every single time. This is perfect if you're designing flyers, posters, brochures, business cards, or any printable document, and you want to make sure it downloads in the correct format. We'll go step by step, and by the end of this video, your file will be completely ready for print. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Canva tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Canva home screen, where you can see all of your recent designs. From here, click on any file of your choice that you want to prepare for print. This can be an existing design or something you've just finished creating. After your design opens, take a moment to quickly review everything on the page. Check your text, images, spacing, and alignment, because whatever you see here is what will be exported. Once you're ready, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. A panel will open with multiple sharing options. From this menu, click on Download. This is where all the important print settings are located. Now click on the File Type dropdown. For print-ready files, the best option is PDF print. This format preserves quality and is accepted by most professional printers. Select PDF print from the list. Next, if your design has multiple pages, click on Select Pages. This allows you to choose specific pages instead of downloading everything. Select the pages you want to include, then click Done to confirm your selection. After that, look for the Color Profile option. This is an important setting. Canva gives you different color profiles depending on how your design will be used. For most standard downloads and digital previews, RGB is commonly used. However, if your printer has specific requirements, always follow their guidelines. For now, select RGB if that's what you need. Once everything is set, double-check your file type, selected pages, and color profile. When you're satisfied, click the Download button. Canva will now process your file. After a few moments, your file will automatically download to your computer, and you'll see a confirmation pop up in the bottom right corner of the screen. That's it. Your file is now downloaded and ready for print. You can send this PDF directly to your printer or upload it to a professional printing service with confidence. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who uses Canva for design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.